What is the standard tile thickness for bathroom walls? Dear friends, when designing or renovating a washroom, choosing the right wall tiles is very important. One key factor many homeowners overlook is the tile thickness. The thickness of wall tiles affects durability, installation quality, and the overall finish of your bathroom walls. In most modern homes, the standard thickness for washroom wall tiles ranges between 6 mm and 10 mm. Tiles within this range are considered ideal because they are lightweight enough for vertical installation while still being strong and durable. The most commonly used wall tiles in bathrooms are ceramic tiles, which usually come in a thickness of around 6 mm to 8 mm. These tiles are easy to cut, simple to install, and cost-effective, making them a popular choice for residential washrooms. Another popular option is porcelain wall tiles, which are slightly denser and stronger. These tiles generally have a thickness of 8 mm to 10 mm. They offer better water resistance and durability, which makes them perfect for areas exposed to moisture. Large format tiles used in modern bathrooms may also follow the 8 mm to 10 mm thickness standard. Even though they are larger in size, manufacturers keep the thickness balanced to avoid excess weight on the wall. It is also important to remember that wall tiles are thinner than floor tiles. Floor tiles are usually 10 mm to 12 mm thick because they must handle heavy loads and foot traffic. So, if you are selecting tiles for your washroom walls, choosing tiles within the 6 mm to 10 mm thickness range will ensure proper installation, long life, and a clean, professional finish for your bathroom. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.